Not every day on the farm goes according to plan, and today, definitely one of those days. It started out like any other morning, feeding horses, filling hay bags, getting everyone ready with their fly masks and brand new boots. Simple, right? But between our mystery barn kitty, who only shows up after dark, an audience of cows judging our every move while we try to tame the jungle taking over our driveway, and Mike attempting to teach me how to hook up the horse trailer, let's just say things might take a turn for the worse. And when it came time to load dear Victoria for her farrier appointment, well, she had other plans, maybe a little PTSD. But somehow, even with all of that, this day today ended up in the best possible way. Come spend a real, unfiltered day on the farm with us. Good morning, girls. Good morning, Red Sox. Good morning, Honeybee. Girls. Hey girls, you have a nice night? Huh? Have a nice evening? I got your new fly mask, Red Sox. Get to try that out today. It's a new one to cover your nose, so you don't get sunburned. I'm in your way. I'm in your way. This is a BG size scoop. Let's see, and that, make sure I get it right, this is a ration balancer for Victoria, That's a Victoria-sized scoop. I'm trying out these fly boots. So I ordered them off Amazon. I hope they fit. It says pretty universal and they should stay up. So I'm getting them for Victoria and Honeybee because the flies just, oh my gosh, they're flocking to them. It's crazy. Victoria's not so sure what to think, but so far it's doing the job. Flies are staying out of there and that makes me very happy, and I'm sure Victoria too. Hi, Honeybee. Let's see if you'll be okay with these. First, we need to get the fly mask on. I'm opening these because I know it's a loud noise. Yeah, we're gonna put these around your legs so the flies stay the heck off of your legs. Yeah. Yeah. First, let's put on your fly mask. Good girl. Forelock out. Oh, such a good girl. To brush the bottom of your legs. Okay, hold on. Brush the bottom of your legs. I'm gonna put these on, okay? Want to sniff? Yep, they're gonna protect you. They're going to protect you from the flies. I think Honeybee looks so cute, sporting her pretty fly mask and her fly boots. Yeah, they're so cute. Such good girls. Is your hair bothering you, girl? Did I not pull your forelock out enough? Let's fix this part. Good girl. Good girl. Let me go get breakfast. Yep, it all looks ready. I soak their feed for about 20 minutes before I feed them. It helps with the digestion. Now I've got the last two. I feed Red Sox and Honeybee over here because they pretty much leave each other alone while they're feeding. There's Honeybee. Ah, and here comes Red Sox. Let's go over here, girl. Here you go. There you go. Look at Honeybee in her cute fly boots. Reminds me of the 80s with leg warmers. So you all, that is a cat bed and some cat food. Yes, we have a barn kitty, but you know what? The barn kitty is MIA. I even got a kitty litter box. Has not touched it. And I just kicked the food and need to clean it up. And there's some catnip and water. He shows up periodically. We haven't even named the poor cat yet. The original name from his previous owner was Blippy, and he was a tomcat getting beat up by a couple lady cats in the neighborhood, and the woman wanted to rehome him. And so the vet called us thinking he would make us a great barn kitty because he was an outdoor cat. They neutered him and microchipped and clipped his ear, and we brought him home, and he lasted about 5 seconds before he found a spot underneath our barn, and he went and hid underneath the platform of our barn and didn't come out for at least a day. I know, Piper, it's pretty crazy. I thought it was maybe wild boars, but Mike looked on the camera and it's a raccoon digging for some sort of worm. But boy, did they make a mess. Jenny just discovered the cows. That's so Jenny. See those big moo cows, those big killer moo cows. Everybody's so scared of them. They're just cute baby cows. Look at that cute baby cow. It's okay, moo cow. It's okay. It's okay. She won't come get you. She's more scared of you than you are of her. Is that right, Piper? Uh-oh. I'm so zoomed in. Has that ever happened before? Has the chain ever come off before?
Yeah.
Surprisingly, we have quite the audience. We got the whole cow herd over here watching us. The truth is they're really enjoying the shade and we just happen to be their entertainment. Gosh, they're so beautiful. I love them. I love them. Oh my gosh, this is definitely one of the perks of living here. We get to enjoy the neighbors' cows for now until they turn into, you know, USDA prime meat. Oh, they're so beautiful. I just looked up and had a complete audience. Oh my gosh, these cows are so beautiful. Oh, look at the baby over there in the corner on the right hand side where the mama just moved closer so the baby's protected. Look at that baby. Oh, you are so beautiful. Look how beautiful these girls are. Oh, I guess we found the bull. Oh my gosh. Wow, some of these are so beautiful. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, Piper, quiet. Piper, Jenny, be quiet. It's okay. It's okay, moo cows. All right, we're gonna get back to work. So you girls, or whatever, you cows, are all happy. They're all looking at Piper like, moo. Oh, Piper. Jeez Louise. It's okay, moo-moos. It's okay. It's okay. She's not going to get you. Her bark is louder than her bite. Oh, look at the pretty moo cows. Oh. They're watching Mike very intensely. Oh, they're so beautiful.
Coming towards you.
Piper, come on. Piper, come on.
The vines are going to make it swing wherever it wants.
Timber! The satisfaction of now it looks so much cleaner. Great job, honey. I'm here filling the troughs and BG's always first to come and start drinking the fresh water. She loves to have like the very, very clean, fresh water, and she'll stand here and just drink it up for 10 minutes. Isn't that so? So much for the clean trough. I see little hay bits all over the place now. I love this girl. I'm so glad that her hoof healed as well as it did. If you all remember, BG's the one that got her hoof caught in the fence back during summertime. Oh my gosh. Thankfully she healed up just perfectly. You all done, BG? I think I might dump it out and start over. Thanks, BG.
The pin out. Open this up because there's a lock that squeezes down.
Okay.
Okay, raise it up.
Lots of bird poop on that thing.
Where?
All over the other side of the, whatever you call that, the jack.
They've been standing on here.
Standing on there pooping.
I think your trailer.
Yeah.
Hope it didn't sink too much. Oh, there's a behind it.
You're strong. You can lift a 1,000-pound trailer.
This is more than 1,000 pounds.
Oh, that's right. It's like 2,500 or something. Is that going to fit?
We'll find out. Hopefully,
Okay.
as I come up the hill, it'll drop back down.
Okay.
If not, you're gonna wind that.
Okay. Horses are watching very intensely.
It'll as it
It'll
goes
fall
up, move forward.
Okay.
Because otherwise, if you do it on the back of the ball, it'll catch that.
Okay.
We might get rain tomorrow. See how it just corrected itself?
Yeah.
And then you want to lock this down. You don't do that.
So you lift it up and move it forward?
Yeah. You put the pin back on so that this doesn't come loose. Wind this up all the way, because if you hit the right bump going in and out of a shopping mall, this thing will
Scrape.
scrape. So
And bend and all that stuff. The wood's coming up with it. Like as high as it comes up?
Yeah. Fold that over.
Is that as high as it comes up?
Yeah. Now this is your brake wire. See, it's hooked here. Don't get this tangled, because if you make a turn and this is all tangled, if it pulls that, the trailer's going to lock up the brakes. Make sense?
So you put it there. Okay.
Remember, they twist
And then
these.
this one's going down here.
Yeah, they twist these so they don't drag on the ground. See how they're twisted?
Yeah.
Remember that? Yeah, so next step is obviously plug in the plug. It only goes in one way. See the notch?
Yeah.
You got to seat it in there nice. And then this catches it. It locks it in. See that?
Yeah.
So if it pulls,
Okay. So that's it?
that's it. Well, and then you got to take the
You have bumpers down there?
whatever is that thing called? The little rampy, the wedge.
Okay. Yep.
Then the wheel.
I think she knows. She's the only one watching this because I put her halter on.
See, you gotta take the wheel shock off.
We've got all the girls eating together now. It's more manageable for me to just keep them all separated. Yeah, Victoria's in her jazzercise get up. She looks so cute. Here comes Piper. Swear she's part Jack Russell, part Greyhound. Maybe there's some hound in there along with Lab. Hi, Piper. Hi, girl. She found me. Now if you're looking for the kitty cat that I heard meowing. Come on, Piper. No sign of the kitty cat 2 days in a row. I don't know if that's normal for barn kitties or I should be worried. You crazy girls. What, you're just running in the rain for the fun of it? Yeah, I think they're just having fun. Red Sox looks like a gazelle. I know. They see the cows and they think they're killer cows. But look at Red Sox, funny girl. If you've ever had one of those days where nothing quite goes as planned, you're definitely not alone here. We've got a lot more coming, especially working with Victoria on her trailer loading. Wish us luck. And more everyday life here on the farm. So if you enjoy real farm life, horses, and figuring things out as we go, make sure you like this video and subscribe to follow along with us. And I'll see you in the next one.